went to my family reunion and enjoyed the peeps. Ate some good food, fellowship, and just had a good time.
Normally what I do tell patients is to get a good firm pillow from Walmart, Target, because if you tend to be someone that tosses and turns at night, what will happen is your body is moving, the pillow doesn't move, it shouldn't change the shape. So you have a hard cervical pillow. So the pillow should conform to the shape of your head and neck. Most pillows won't. So sometimes they tend to match. Sometimes they tend to dig into your neck more than it needs to, and that can aggravate it. So you want to make sure that whatever you have is a good firm pillow, be your shoulder, whether it's on your back or your side. Just trying to push it up a little bit so you can kind of get just here in the neck and the head. And then make sure when you're sleeping on your back, you definitely don't want more than one pillow. The reason why is because you have more than one pillow, it's causing your head to push forward. So it's forcing you to have like the forward head carriage and stuff. And the whole time you're sleeping, you don't know how much it's aggravating because you're unconscious. But you're forcing all these muscles in here to be strained because it's pushing your head forward. So that's why a lot of people tend to wake up with muscle tightness in the neck, the upper back, and sometimes headaches.
I gotta tell my mom that.
Turn to your side, basically. No, those really expensive pillows. Because some people have pay a lot of money for some people, and it has a good cost. So it depends on how you sleep on the too and the position of the pillow. So it's a matter of, like I said, only be on your head and your neck, never your shoulder. Now, if you side sleep, sometimes what you have to have. Now, the one pillow outside of regular pillow, I'm saying Walmart, Target, or water pillows. Now, those aren't bad because it's the cushion all around it and it's water in the middle. So that way, as you fill it up, you can put in as much water you want for firmness or take out more for softness. But with that, because you have that cushion all the way around the water part, and that cushion can now fit right there in the neck.
Okay.
And those are pretty good too. And of course, if you want like you want more cool water, for a night, that kind of helps out as well. But the water pillow's not bad. So that's just you're both your upper back, so now we feel a lot better too.
That's
So
good.
now as you get back into it.
So I heard it, it's scratching.
That's my favorite, just doing all myself, but when I get it done,
That's my favorite part too, right there.
So you get adjusted too?
I do. My chiropractic just moved. So I can find somebody close.
Yeah, that's rough right now.
But this time I know what colors have been done for because y'all heard what I said. And then I had two ladies that have been best friends, I think they're like in their mid-60s, maybe early 70s or mid-60s, somewhere around there. But they were best friends almost since like their early 20s. And they come with the same problem. Like,
What's causing that right there?
it can be posture, it can be repetitive motion, with this side and right to the end. And then, you hear a lot of people say they carry stress in their shoulders.
Oh, yeah.
And you also have to think too that our heads are like 3 to 5 times a bowling ball.
Yeah.
And carry stick up So we're using all of this to hold this up. So these muscles, they get the work out. You don't realize how much because we get used to moving so that as we're rolling and don't realize it. Down straight. Get ready. So much fun. There you go. On the other side.
That's my favorite one.
That's your favorite part? Yeah, that.